How to fix you need official WhatsApp to login problem. So if you want to fix your need official WhatsApp to login problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have stable internet connection. And the next thing you need to make sure is you're using your official WhatsApp, because if you're not using your official WhatsApp application, then you might find this kind of problem. So first you need to open up your WhatsApp or your Play Store. The first thing is Play Store. You can open up your Play Store and go with search. You need to search for WhatsApp. After searching, this is the official application of your WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure that you've installed this application. After installing the application, or if it is already installed, then you may have an update. You can go and update the application. After updating, you can try to log into your account and your problem might be. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your apps and then tap and hold on to your WhatsApp. Go with the app info. Under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache and also clear storage. After clearing your cache and your storage, your problem might be fixed. Now you can go with your WhatsApp, log into your account, and it might fix your problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.